Join Harmony the Harp Seal as she explores the magical world of natural sounds across diverse habitats. On her journey through the icy Arctic, she listens to the crackling ice and bubbling waters. In the lush rainforest, she hears frogs croaking and leaves rustling. Exploring the desert at twilight, she encounters cicadas buzzing and wind whispering through the dunes. Harmony's adventure educates kids on how nature communicates through sound, inspiring them to appreciate the symphony of their surroundings. This engaging narrative encourages young audiences to listen closely to the world around them, making learning about natural environments both fun and educational.